Hello friends, in this video we will see what is a deterministic process and what is a non-deterministic process. So deterministic process, as the name indicates, it is a process where the future values are completely determined. We are able to predict the future values based on the past values. Or here we will have a specific mathematical expression. So it is completely predictable. So whenever we realize or whenever we do the experiment, if we repeat the experiment all the times, we will get the identical values. We will get identical values, and no probability concepts are required for this deterministic process. So simple expression like x of t is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t is an example of a deterministic process. So it is a simple sine or cosinusoidal signal. So whereas coming to non-deterministic process where the future values, in case of non-deterministic values, the future values cannot be predicted exactly. Only we can tell in terms of probabilistic way. We can tell only probabilistic values. In terms of probabilistic values we can tell, but exact values we cannot tell in non-deterministic process. From the past behavior we cannot predict the future values, so there is not completely predictable with certainty. And here if we perform different times we will get different outcomes. Here we will not get the same value when we do the experiment repeatedly. So here the probabilistic our statistic terms are such as mean, variance, and autocorrelation plays the role. The mathematical expression, the difference is here A. So here A is a random variable. So here it is simply a constant, but here A cos 2 pi t, A might be or A is a random variable. So typical examples are thermal noise. When we do different experiments we'll get different types of noise. Again, speech signal, if you observe the speech signal, it is not completely predictable. We may predict only certain terms, but not all the terms we are not able to predict. Similarly, the stock prices are also we cannot tell with certain value. So these are the waveforms. So in case of deterministic process, from the past value we can tell what is the next value, whereas in case of non-deterministic process we cannot tell the exact value. By observing the past values we cannot tell exact value. So this is the difference between deterministic as well as non-deterministic process. So thank you for watching.